Young tenderoni. Young tenderoni. Bow, 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 bow. Young tenderoni. Bow, 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 bow. Young tenderoni, stand up, stand up. Young tenderoni, throw it back, throw it back. Young tenderoni, drop it low, drop it low. Young tenderoni, throw it back, throw it back. Young tenderoni, young tenderoni, young tender. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kim. You know the name. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kim Suave, and I'm your favorite girl from Miami. And if I'm not your favorite girl from Miami, go watch the other videos because I bet you change your mind, sis. And that's on what? Period. Okay. So guys, today we got this cute little look. It's giving me very much so on my block vibes, so that's what it's gonna be. I just been in the house doing nothing. It ain't really been nothing going on. I've been doing homework, just trying to occupy myself, and it ain't really been working. So I'm gonna just stay on YouTube and survive because I cannot tell y'all. Y'all go see what happened in the video. It's a little cute little story time, you know, just me rambling on and on about nothing basically. But y'all like when I do that. Y'all love my get ready with me's. So here's a get ready with me. Let's get into the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But stay tuned. So guys, how you doing? These are my new glasses that I got. They're huge, but I like them though. Besides that, still in quarantine, still in lockdown, still in Miami, still doing nada. But the skin is cute. Cute. That's what I did my little earring. I have the butterfly earrings. They're like clip hoops. So I just put my K from my chain on. I clipped it onto the hoop. So now it's butterfly and K for Kim. But guys, I don't know. Quarantine just been a whole lot. I worked out with my dad and my sister today, so that was real cute. We did like a little workout. It was mostly my sister working out. Me and my dad was. I don't really work out like that. Like working out for me, I feel like for me to really work out, I'm gonna get a trainer because it just ain't gonna work with my sister training me because I'm not gonna listen to her because she's my sister. But that's just a defiance to me. But let me just do my hair. I already did my edges. It got kind of messed up because I found this last minute, but it's not like I'm going anywhere anyway, so does it really matter? And I'm actually gonna take my hair out soon because I have to do a wig review for a company that sent me a wig. I'm not gonna say the name yet because I want to do everything in that video, so y'all gonna see that soon. My clothes throughout these videos of quarantine will be very much so repetitive because my is in telly still, so it's just stressful. Well, I'm not even really stressed. I'm actually having a great time being home with my parents because, you know, I don't really get to see them when I am in Tally during the school year. I don't ever really get to go back home like that because I was working. So spending this time with them, I'm gonna just not take it for granted because I know when all this said and done and over, it's gonna be back to business and I'm not gonna see them like that. So I'm going to enjoy my little time in Miami and then back to business in Tally. I feel like poetic justice. If I told you that a flower would bloom in a dark room, would you trust it? I'm gonna change my shirt because I ain't really feeling the yellow. I got this orange scarf thing. What's my mama's? I just got it from her room. So I'm gonna see if I could do something with this instead. So hold on. Don't y'all like this so much? Bam. It's a little asymmetrical, like. Ooh, I already got primer and stuff on my face. I use the Milk Hydro Grip, you already know that. And my eyebrows, I ran out of Rihanna Fenty eyebrow pencil like I said in the last video. So I just did it with the box of crayons black like I was doing the last time I ran out of eyebrow pencil. We go from touching and teasing and fighting and screaming. I hate you, I love you, good, I'm leaving. Y'all seen that Melly got, YNW Melly has corona? I was like, damn. Not even the damn jail safe. Good. Shit's getting hectic out here. Now let me tell y'all how spring break weekend, right? When we went to the beach and I did that little video. If you didn't watch my spring break video, go watch it right now. Well, you can't even really see what happened, but you'll get the overall gist of what happened. So we got to Publix because we went to the liquor store first, because the liquor store is literally in the same complex as Publix. If you're not from Florida, well, I know other states have Publix, but I know Florida is more prominent for Publix. But if you don't have Publix, Publix is just like how you say, a fresher, smaller Walmart. Like the produce is fresher, but it's much smaller than Walmart. Oh, this blends really well with my skin today. Yeah, so we went to Publix after we got the liquor so we could get some juice so we can you know, make a little drink. We just walking in, and it's, mind you, we had on bathing suits. Harper, my sister, and Bree had on cover-ups, but I didn't have on a cover-up, but my hair was long enough. Yeah, I know my hair is past my ass, so it's like it wasn't even showing anything at all. So, and then Bree's cover-up, it was kind of see-through, but it's still, nonetheless, it was a cover-up, so it's like she's covering her goods. So we're making our little TikTok in one of the aisles that we did, and then the manager, like, I don't even know if she was the manager, whoever the hell she was, so she came up to us like just with like the biggest attitude. She said, "You guys need to get out, because you guys can't be in here." And then we was like, okay. And then we just said okay, and then she was like, no, she's like, "Oh, right now, like you guys need to get out right now." And I'm like, bitch, I had no problem getting out. Getting out was not a problem for me. I understand why she felt the need to kick us out. We had on bathing suits, we in Publix, whatever. Get your shit and go. But don't come up to me like I'm just some hoodlum, hood rat type thing, and then just saying I need to get out right now. Like, bitch. So then I said, "Well, can I buy something?" And then she was like, "Yeah, you can get it." And so then my guy was making the TikTok, and then she's like, "Oh, and you guys can't record in here." Bitch, since when were you not allowed to record in Publix? I just feel like she was being a blatant asshole. I don't hate to say this because it's the truth. She was a Hispanic lady. I already know Hispanics, they be just as racist towards black people as the whites. And I'm not saying that she was racist, but I ain't saying that she wasn't racist either, because I feel like if we were Hispanic girls, she would not have came up to us the way she came up to us. She would have been more respectful. She would have talked to us like we was human beings, and that just would have been that. She probably would have been like, "Oh, ladies, you know, you look cute." Because we did look cute, you look cute, but I'm sorry I can't be in here like that. I know it's a store, it's kids here, whatever the case is. Not even that it mattered, because like I said, it was covered. My hair was super long and the rest of them had cover-ups. So then we was in the line to check out, and then mind you, like I said, we only went in there to get the drinks to mix it with the liquor that we had bought. Mind you, she follows us to the line. I'm like, what's up with this dime? She tripping. She's talking to one of the other employees, but they're in the line with us, and then she's like, yeah, and they're only buying one thing each. Is there a set amount that you have to buy in Publix for you to be allowed inside? I didn't know if you are only buying one thing, you just weren't allowed in line. Like, does it matter if we're only buying one thing? We're buying something, right, in your establishment. So me, I wanted to call corporate on her ass, because that was the way she handled that situation. As a manager, that's not how you handle situations. She was just mad disrespectful, and I wasn't here for it, because you don't talk to me like that. You don't talk to anybody like that, because I would never. But once again, people don't act like me, so it is what it is. Yo, I didn't even color correct. I didn't even put no setting powder under my foundation and stuff. My bad. But once again, I'm not going anywhere anyway, so it's okay. How has quarantine life been treating y'all? I officially have been like quarantining, like haven't been around anybody besides the people in my household for almost a week now. I mean, I thought it would be worse. Like, don't get me wrong, I've been hella bored, but things could be worse. And I feel like it's just like a lot of misinformation being spread. I feel like they're overly scaring people. Like, of course you should be scared, of course you should be safe, but the number of deaths versus the number of people who have been cured, it's like people been cured are like People who have been cured from corona up here, and deaths is like down here where you can't even see. People just need to stay safe. Like, of course nobody wants to get it, but they need to tell people, if you get it, these are so what you should do. Come get checked and tested. We're gonna tell you what to do. Stay in quarantine for 2 weeks. You should be good again. Like, it's really that simple. I don't understand what's the problem. Obama would never. I'm so happy my sister came back to Miami, y'all, because I needed the ring light. When you think you finished blending, sweetie, you need to blend for 5 more seconds, and that's when you're done. I forgot to mention this in the Glass Get Ready With Me when I was reading the comments for my most popular video. It's not that I even forgot to mention it. I forgot to edit it into the video, for I don't know why. I don't know if I didn't upload that clip to my laptop, but it just wasn't there, so it didn't get put in. But I did see the comments where y'all was like, oh, I look like Missy Elliott, I look like Fantasia, I look like Remy Ma. Apparently, y'all, I do not look like these. Well, I personally don't think I look like these girls. I think they're all 3 of them are beautiful women, of course. Like Missy Elliott, that is my girl. Like, she's one of my biggest fashion inspirations. As far as look like her though, I don't think I look like her. She's bad as hell though. Shit. And Fantasia, who don't? If you don't like Fantasia, you ain't black. I love it. Shout out to beautiful black women. Okay, so let's get into eyeshadow. Since this top is like orange, I don't want to do orange on the lid. It has like leaves and stuff too right here, so I wish the leaves were visible. I'm gonna try to find a way to make the leaves visible, because I have an eyeshadow that's the same color as the leaf, but I want to do it like a design type way. I don't want to just put it on my lid, you know. Let me get a little brown, a little brown. This is the Block Party palette from Suva. I'm gonna use Mixtape. Mixtape is this shimmery green. All right, here. And then I think since my shirt is actually orange, I'm going with Nachos, which is right next to Mixtape. It's a shimmery orange. I'm gonna put that under there. What you say, Pop?
Fuck it up. Fuck it up. Stick it up. Stick it up. Throw it back. Throw it back. Fully wrapped. Fully wrapped. She got a thing for niggas some money.
I'm doing my dance. I feel like I'm shitty. Hopefully this come out cute, because I'm gonna be pissy if it don't. Pause. Let me put some setting powder right there, because this palette definitely has fallout. Unlike Miss Jackie Ina's palette that you should go get if you don't have it. I might record another video of me making, because I'm gonna cut the dress up that I wore for my birthday that I got from Pretty Little Thing. And if you don't know what dress I'm talking about, you didn't watch the New York vlogs. And if you didn't watch the New York vlogs, you need to go watch that. Just go in the playlist and then they should be there. Go on the vlogs playlist. It's gonna say vlogs and hashtag Suavetime or Suavetime hashtag vlogs. You'll see it. You'll know what I'm talking about. Go on the playlist, sweetie. New York was a cute little time. definitely need to move there, like ASAP. Like I know people love Miami, like out of towners love Miami, but growing up here and vacationing here, sweetie, it's two different lives, okay? You grow up much faster than people who live in other cities. I be seeing YouTubers from New York saying people always want to move to New York, but they don't realize when you get here, this is a quick city. Miami's a fast city. Like Miami is literally the definition of the fast life. That's why I think I could survive in New York, because New York is so much go, 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 go. And so is Miami. As soon as you touch down in Miami, it's go, 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 go. Like you home for what, an hour? But you need to be outside handling your business. Like I feel like the only difference between New York and Miami is that New York is much bigger and they take the subway. As far as everything else, I feel like it's very similar cities. And we got a beach. They got a beach, but that shit dirty. I'm talking about New York right now because I want to move to New York so bad, but we'll see when the time comes. I'm in no rush. I put the orange that I said I was gonna put right there, the nachos color. Let me put on my lashes and do my moles, then I will be back for the lips. If you put your lashes on and you see it's still not blending even after you put the what is this called again? What is this called again? I don't know. I'm having like a brain meltdown right now. The little mascara. I don't know what the fuck that was. Whoa. But yeah, after you put the mascara, if you see it's still not blended in, what I do, if still don't blend in sometimes, I get black eyeshadow. I put it on a flat brush like this. See this flat brush? And then I just put it on my real lashes. Since you know my eyelashes, the eyelash extensions is black. So I just make sure that it blend in, just in case any eyeshadow or anything got out on it. I feel like I look like I'm like 44 on 44 on. This really giving me humpback, hoochie mama. Ain't nothing but a hoochie mama. Humpback, hoochie mama. Ain't nothing but a humpback, hoochie mama.
Watch me check up on you. Watching it, shake it. I see it in your face. You can take it, it's blazing. Watch me in amazement. You can look at it as long as you don't grab it.
So guys, if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to hit that like, don't forget to comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. And while you're subscribing, just turn on that bell for post notifications so you can know every time I post. I hope y'all like this look. I think it came out pretty cute because I really didn't know where I was going with it. It's giving me real Boricua vibes, you know, like real Shakira. I feel like you know, I'm on my block, like on my block. Call me, Netflix, on my block, call me so I could be on the show, because this not giving y'all on my block. Also follow me on Instagram, which is my real page, my fashion page, as well as my Twitter. So stay tuned for the pics on these looks that will be on the gram. And bye y'all, love y'all, peace.